The farmer thought there must be any eggs inside the hen. If I kill the hen, I will get more eggs and money in one day. So he killed and cut it open. He did not find any eggs inside. The hen was dead. The farmer called